In this video, I am going to teach you how to convert an type of screenshots or images to 3D style without installing any software. And the important thing is it's completely free to use. 3D screenshots are trending now. Many popular YouTube channels are using this for audience attention. However, the problem is these channels are earning money and can afford applications like Premiere Pro, After Effects or even DaVinci Resolve, which is free but requires at least 32 GB of RAM for smooth video editing. As a beginner YouTuber, I could not afford such high-spec equipments and applications. So follow this tutorial and let's reveal the trick. Okay, first I take the screenshot of this one, open our browser, type boxshot, click on the result, click on tools and extract, and then 3D screenshot maker. Click here to upload the screenshot or image. We need the adjust parameter. Okay, here the depth of field is used to increase or decrease the blur. If you don't want the blur, you can decrease it. Okay, then focus on which part you want to show. Just adjust and check. Okay, then the default level of highlight intensity is good. Okay, we can leave this one. Okay, now the fog color is your choice. I will choose black. Fog density should be slightly reduced. If you are using white fog color, sometimes it's look awkward. Okay, then I complete all the process. Okay, next click here to download the 3D screenshot. Okay, now there are two options. One is standard quality and another one is paid one. Standard quality is enough for me and it's look good also. Okay, that's all guys. After completing this process, you can import your video editing applications and use it. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video.